In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in Notion. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to confirm the change so your Notion interface appears in the language you prefer. This works in the browser and mirrors what you'll see in the desktop app. Keep in mind, changing the language affects menus, buttons, and system messages, but it won't translate the content of your pages. Start by opening your browser and heading to Notion's website. On the home page, look for the Login button, usually in the upper right. If you're already signed in, great. You can move straight to Settings once your workspace loads. If not, click Login. On the Sign In screen, choose the Google option if that's how your account is set up. If you normally sign in with a different method, like email or another provider, go ahead and use that. The goal here is simply to get into your workspace using your usual credentials. Select your Google account, complete the sign in, and you'll land in Notion. Once you're in, it's time to open Settings. You'll typically find this from the left sidebar by clicking your workspace name or the gear icon to open the Settings panel. Choose Settings to view your personal and workspace options. Inside Settings, go to Preferences. This section covers how Notion looks and behaves for you, including appearance, date formats, and language. Find the language option. It's near other display settings. Click the current language label, which might read something like English, US. That opens a drop-down with the available languages. Take a moment to scan the list and pick the language you want. Selecting it changes the interface text that Notion controls, things like navigation, tooltips, and system dialogues. Your notes and databases won't be translated automatically, and shared pages stay exactly as you wrote them. Also note, some languages adjust regional formats, such as dates and numbers, to match that locale. After you choose your language, a confirmation prompt will appear. Click Update to apply the change. Notion may briefly refresh. If the interface doesn't switch right away, reload the page or reopen the app to finalize the update. That's it. You can return to the same preferences area anytime to change languages again. The setting is personal to your account, so it won't affect teammates in the same workspace. If you're using Notion on mobile, the path is similar. Open Settings, head to Preferences, and pick your language there. And if you're on a managed workspace, some options might be limited, but language is typically up to each user. Thanks for watching, and enjoy using Notion in the language that feels most natural to you.